It all started this morning. He woke up with incredible energy, ready to give the best singing concert the forest had ever heard. His first notes were flawless. The rhythm was perfect. His confidence, sky high. But then came that note, the high note, and he missed it, monumentally. Since then, he's been replaying the moment on a loop. Why did I improvise? I bet the whole forest's talking about this now. And with that bright red plumage, he literally can't go unnoticed as he tries to overcome his embarrassment. But there's hope. Any minute now he'll dust himself off and launch into another song. This time, simpler, more confident, and someone will probably say, "Hey, he sings pretty well." For now, though, he's just enjoying the scenery.